Hey everybody, welcome to an all new video with Matt. Today I'm going to show you how to replace those Xenon headlight bulbs, guys. These are different from the old school kind that was just plug and play like that and you just stuck it in like that, guys. These are a little bit, they're kind of the same. They do have the plug in, but they are just slightly different, as you can see, guys. We got these DMEX 6000 right here, guys, that we are going to be swapping out in the car today. Now these go for pretty much any vehicle out there, guys, unless it's just some type of weird specialty thing going on. But for the most part, they're mostly all like this with the square cube part right here, guys, and the little plug-in. Now this right here is a blown bulb that we are going to be replacing today, guys, and this right here is the brand new one that we're going to be putting in, guys. Now this does come in a 2-pack. As you can see, I always recommend getting a 2-pack. That way you're not having a hard time trying to match up colors. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to replace those stock Xenon bulbs. Alright guys, so what you'll need to do is pop your hood and go over to the headlight that you plan on replacing the bulb in, guys. So here, let me show you on this car right here. This is a 2014 Camaro RS right here. This belongs to my wife. So right down here, guys, they got this little boot little thing, right? I'm gonna loosen that up just like that and take that off. Now your headlights on your car might be different. Just be able to gain access to your bulb, and you'll see the bulb that's right down in here just like that right there. Yours might be in a better spot right here, but on this Camaro, that's where it's at. So you're just going to give it a little wiggle, guys, and you will feel it unlock from its little lock boot position, right? So just keep wiggling in that bulb, and eventually you're going to feel it turn, and it's going to come right on out for you, guys. Alright guys, so I've got the bulb pulled out from its socket right there. As you can see, this connection right here, guys, that's all you need to disconnect at this point, right? So a little tight space right here. Definitely gonna have to use some pliers because these are the stock bulbs that's been in it since 2014, guys. So they're gonna be a little stuck. Just use you a little pair of pliers and to pry this upward, right? So just grab it by the sides if you need to, give it a couple of wiggles, and it should come loose. Alright, so easy as that, guys. Barely even had to pull on it, and we already got the connector right there on the old bulb out. So let's go ahead and just stick that to the side. Now we need to take our new bulb, right, and we're going to re-hook up that piece. But before we do that, what you'll notice is on the old bulb right here, it has this little locking thing. That's the thing that you turn when you like try to unlock it to pull it in and out and all that. This right here turns, right? So you need to take this piece off if yours has one of these, and I'm sure there's a different ones out there for different vehicles, guys, but they come off fairly easy. Just need to kind of just turn it and pull it right off, guys. It'll slide. See, I'm pushing it and it's sliding right out from there, just like that right there, and then it comes off. Remember, your connector was down and this was around the top, just like that, guys. Watch how easy this is. I'm just going to slide it right back in there. Now we are ready to hook that connector back up right here. So I'm gonna have to use both hands real quick, guys. So let me go ahead and get that connector plugged back in now. Alright guys, I got the connector hooked back up just like that. So now it is time to carefully stick this back inside of its little socket that you pulled it out of, guys. You want to make sure you get that little bevel disc piece lined back up where it needs to go, and you'll feel it. And then just make sure that you use that little lock ring and lock it down into place. All right, once you get that locked back into place, just like that right there, then you'll go ahead and put your little end cap boot back into place. So just like this, I'll come over here, turn that over, get it lined up good. All right, that's nice and lined up. So now you can come over here, start up your car, and make sure that your bulbs are working properly. So let's go ahead and do that now, guys. All right, guys, there we go. Let's check it out. There is the new bulb on this side right there. Looks good. It's that cool white color right there. Looks really nice. And there is the one on that side. So I hope this video helped somebody out there, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and be sure to comment down below. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful week ahead. Peace.